District Attorney has decided not to file charges against the mayor of Ocean Isle Beach for a real estate deal involving the town's old police department building. Mayor Debbie Smith's real estate company bought the building in 2018. The state auditor's office released a report which said the mayor used inside information not available to the general public. Well, District Attorney John David requested an SBI investigation and had those findings reviewed by the Conference of District Attorneys. In a statement, David said today, while the mayor's purchase could have been handled in a more professional manner, there is insufficient evidence to warrant a prosecution.